Sige, go.
This is a late Valentine. Sana ay
Valentine.
Gani kay Chiburitsu
Yeah.
na ni.
Sige, first candidate number
Oh,
one.
no, you should love yourself.
Okay,
It's a sign.
show them the kuan.
It's
Yeah.
a sign. Nga love ko ni Vern.
Yes, love yourself.
What's up? Di ko ganun maruwin ang kuan letter. Oh, di ko ganun maruwin. Kaya nga no, gusto ko siya kikipan ako ba?
Abot lang din na siya vlog. I love you.
Ano nga, gabi?
May kanisa.
Go na.
Appreciate the packaging.
Uy, taro nga.
Yes.
Kuan, basa ha.
Batag handwriting mo.
Lulo na pa pa free sticker, freebies. May freebies. May freebies na.
Nagbutang ko 1,000.
Pero ang video, wala naman na sa kunaw.
Wow, muno man.
Dear Charo. Kumot na.
Dapat yun. Basta
Go. Asa da? Uy, lupo naman. Sige, go.
Happy Valentine's Day. I don't know if bawal ba food sa inyo. Pero nasulat naman good. Mahugaw na sa waiting. If kurison, I hope you're doing well. Just always, ma'am. No matter the weather. Safe means pala weather day.
Asa daw?
You're still the winner. Sakto di ay.
Bagol ta ka diya. Ako nang
Always to be a
gigugol.
little more kind and gentle with your heart and a little bit of heart. Unsa to, pero bitaw girl, you deserve happiness, and I mean the kind of person that makes your heart feel with warmth, to feel like the world isn't against you. I still remember back in our old days ni siya day.
Old days, high school
days.
days, HS.
High school day, daddy ko kasabot yung writing. I once hated you kayo, but guess what? I still hate you with your scum sa adlang. Ayaw na lang pagtuga-tuga saan, girl. Next time, I know my word. Love po, Rikita, with Jajemon.
Yes.
Clockwise.
Ano yung mga kuan ha, mga freebies?
Mga and happiness.
Sila na mo gipanguha ko.
Actually, gi-recycle na daw na ngayon.
Uy, ako na mga extra. Yan, sayang man
Oo,
ako.
di ba?
Diba?
Same
Freebies.
mother.
Diba?
Oh, love yourself. Kita na ni hatag na ko.
Nani?
Lagi tayong sticker. Oh, ama sa love yourself.
Yeah.
Love yourself. Love yourself.
Kamusta na?
Go.
Dear Ruth, happy Valentine's. I'm so proud of the person that
Then,
you
hindi ka
are
gila
now. A mom. Proud of everything you've been through to get yourself there. I don't know how hard it is as a mom, but that's just a start. But even before pa, I can see
Dindot
you
laging rating si
as a
Lo.
strong woman. I'm proud of the person you have fought to become, and I'm proud of the person you are yet to become. Your company brings me so much comfort. Your personality makes me admire you. Can't wait to see your little one. Kita na ka.
Gani ka
I'm looking forward to our dog walking. My best friends one day.
Interactive man, David.
All of us will get separated from each other. Ano naman?
Asa di ayaw kang isang gisulti diha.
My best friends, one day all of us will get separated from each other. We will miss our conversations.
Ay, mga brad na biya ko dahil.
Bota siya Poland.
Days, months, and years will pass until
Uy,
the
matagak na itong pagkaon ha.
contact
Asa
becomes
daw?
rare. This contact becomes rare.
Ami bebe.
Kaya basta mag-lisod na kang cellphone ba kayo?
No,
Baby
that
naman yung
I am,
gamitan.
Di man eh, usan siya. English guru ba?
Mag-minion ako or not. Mana?
Muna? The packaging is very loving.
10 out of 10.
Diba? Let's not forget the freebies.
Yes.
Diba?
More love yourself.
First, be kind to yourself.
Love yourself by Taylor Swift. By
Take care of yourself. Heart, take care of yourself. Puro good self-love. What?
Asa daw taas na. Asak tara.
Dear Bebski, napay time.
Uy, actually naman siya time gibatangan ako.
Happy Valentine's. I'm so grateful and blessed to know you and to call you my bestie. You're so sweet. In fact, you're the sweetest person I know. Aww. Anybody will be so lucky to even get to know you. You are literally my sister from another mom. I can now imagine and see myself growing old together. You have brought so much into my life. Even then, I feel your care, your efforts, your generosity, being thoughtful, and you're full of lovingness. Wow! You deserve all the love. I will always have your forever. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. Aww, thanks, bye.
Ano siya ba nga? Dili daw ko yung singlet. Wala mo gud mo gidibdib.
Internalize.
Joke ra, eh.
Di wa ba naman.
Nice. Thank you, Beb.
Welcome.
Kapawa na ka. Lahat.
Cheesecake ka nga rin,
Sila may
boss.
Diyos
Gwapa
Walkers.
ka nga rin, boss.
Magic ka
Ay,
mo.
dili.
Uy, ganahan ko sa sticker.
Ay, sila ba?
I know, right?
Self-love.
Actually, I put the stickers by
Murag sila may
based
tapat
on the
dun.
personality.
Ay, kami
Sure, for the
tapat
personality.
pag high school.
Ako'y basa sa imong letter B.
Ayan.
Ikikabuang nga guys.
Where's your self-love?
Basta, kito tinuod jud to katuging naglagod jud ko nimo ato katong sige mo gi J. Wala ka crush man yan si Kuan good. Oo. Sungsungo, punya brother ko nuhay. Mo gani. Nga ikaw kisungugan ko ay. Naglagod tumakita si Nong dito. Okay na? Oh, go. Sige. Paminaw akong basa.
Sige, maminaw ko.
Ay, laylay, pag ito yung color di ay.
Oh.
Ha? Green ako ang color sa mong pen.
Actually na ay uban pareha ka wanang ink.
Green ako.
Mataga ko. Tanong ba sa girl kay
Okay.
Uy, nahilak na ko.
Uy, ko emotional ba ini si Pasa.
Wala pang gano'n sa silan. Sige.
3.5 dahil para makita siya.
Pareha naman good mo. Ara.
Kala, uy, tabapa, kalatin na. Ako'y Kwan Bida, yun na ito.
Pasensya kay nahutan og ink mo na lahi ang mga
Apin ako pag first lain yung color pa like wow.
naman gani diha kanang red nga pag ubos kay green na.
Red, red, na pink.
Ibuhan na.
So, tayo mo nagsugod ang green.
Apil ka ito.
Ano si ato?
Niya ba?
Dapat ikaw mo pasa na.
Ako
Ikaw
basa.
basa, oo.
Sige, ako basa.
Ay, emotional.
Ako ba kay di mo mukha bulubasa. Ay, laban mo.
Siya na lang, para makailak siya.
Para mabalaan ka ng tone sa pag-write. Ikaw may writer.
Oh, actually naman dyan ay tone no.
Sige daw.
Okay, i-read lang ni Nick uli ni mo.
Reread.
Dear Paz, Happy Valentine's. Hope that you know I love and appreciate you for just showing up, especially nga once in a blue moon ra ka. Also, I would just like to say that our group of friends is the top tier for me. I would never let somebody take that in my life, even though we don't. Even though we don't talk or see very often, but no choice. We all just understand the assignment. I don't know if you are taken na or single pa, but just wanna say na you're too hot to be single. Paminawan eh.
Latina.
A woman like you don't stay single for too long. Because every time you broke up with your BF, your world is crushed and you're all alone. The love bug comes night back up and bite your lua.
Don't let the bug.
Sa Pinterest, pag ito niya nakuha. Sa Pinterest nakuha. Wow.
Sample letter, no?
Dili, oy!
Very
Actually, mga part na may mga Pinterest.
3 months. Apil ang baby. Ang baby.
Dito na kay ko, dito kay ka promo. Titong ina. Morning titong Latina.
Ay,
Oh, ano ba ito? Team. Mabalay team.
dili.
Dili siya pwede ma-change ang kuhan.
Kanang picture na sa ko.
Dagi siya man.
Sino ba ito?
Okay, first of all, I will start for Ruth. Okay, Yology.
O sa di na, dayo ko mo sa
Kanaging
Message na mo kung mamatay ka.
Kinahanglan.
Si Louie atong message.
You legit ako kang Louie no. Kay Louie, you are the best guy that I've ever have in my life. And
Mauro maglagka-uya ba? Best of to my life.
girl, if you are alive, you will be my husband. But you are dead. Uy, you will never know what if Louie. Girl, ali, baby, open with me.
Uy, kung
Be
di mo
open.
ganahan kanang settlement. Like, if 40 years old, single
Hey,
mo
mag-deal
both,
tabi.
kamo na
If
lang.
ever, if dili pa ko magkuan.
Sa ba?
Kung 40 years old na mo both ba nyo? Both single, ana, kamo na lang duha.
Uy, kay film man ko, single man ko whole life.
Tanawa, dili, jud siya na ko. Pwede
Settlement
na.
ko, 100 na takitan na.
Uy, naka-record ba yan ni?
100 years old ba?